This organization was registered in 2011, some years ago, and I've seen this organization grow from one child to now over 1,000 children, especially girls from the two counties, Kajiado and Narok counties. It's a dream come true to me, a dream that I pursued, a dream that costed a lot of struggle, patience, perseverance, and today I'm glad to have had several girls who have achieved their goals.
I'm much grateful to them, wamenisaidia sana. Tangu Light of Life wanichukue, nimeona a great change in my life, kitabia, academically, na ningependa kuwashukuru sana, especially Ma'am Eva, our director. I would like to say thank you so much because you've been there for me, you've provided for me everything. I'm one of the girls that Ma'am Eva stays with them in her own home, and I'm much grateful. She has been there for us.
The girl child education is very important. It is important to take a girl to school. For example, if I didn't go to school several years ago, I wouldn't be here. And so I want to encourage them that when you educate a girl, this girl is able to come up, pursue their dreams, get a space even in the international spaces, not only just local spaces. We will be happy to see these young girls out there being able to pursue their dreams and to work and support even within the country and even in the government.